A remarkable video, allegedly released from sources inside a Puerto Rican federal agency, appears to show a UFO. The object, filmed in infrared, and from a Homeland Security helicopter, was caught over the international airport in Puerto Rico. The helicopter pursued the UFO, as it cruised over a populated area, before heading toward the coast. UFO researchers reportedly conferred with the Puerto Rico Joint Forces of Rapid Action, a division of the state police, to verify the authenticity of the footage. The authorities did confirm that the UFO video was taken by a camera on board a Black Hawk helicopter, but further details of the encounter would remain classified. The footage, which lasts several minutes, concludes with the unknown object heading toward the coast, before disappearing beneath the waves. Could this remarkable footage confirm that there is an extraterrestrial base hidden beneath the waters of Puerto del Sol, on Puerto Rico's west coast?